First, we shall witness the exchange of an MOU on health cooperation between Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India, and the Ministry of Health, Indonesia. This will be exchanged on the Indonesian side by His Excellency Budi G. Sadikin, Minister of Health, and on the Indian side by Shri S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister. Ministers, please. Thank you, sir. Next, we have exchange of two MOUs. First, MOU in the field of traditional medicine, quality assurance between Pharmacopoeia Commission for the Indian Medicine and Homeopathy, Ministry of Ayush, and the Indonesian Food and Drug Authority, and the MOU on maritime safety and security cooperation between Indian Coast Guard and the Bakmala, Indonesia. These two will be exchanged on the Indonesian side by His Excellency Sugiono, Minister for Foreign Affairs, and on the Indian side by Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister. Thank you, sir. We next have the cultural exchange program between Ministry of Culture of India and the Ministry of Culture Indonesia. These will be exchanged on the Indonesian side by His Excellency Fadli Zon, Minister for Culture, and on the Indian side by Shri Pavitra Margarita, Minister of State, External Affairs. Sir. Thank you, sir. Last but not least, we have the exchange of MOU on cooperation in the field of digital development between Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology India and the Ministry of Communication and Digital Affairs Indonesia. These will be exchanged on the Indonesian side by Her Excellency Mutia Vidya Hafid, Minister of Communication and Digital, and on the Indian side by Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister. Thank you, sir. We now have a presentation of the report of the third India-Indonesia CEOs Forum. This will be presented jointly by Mr. Ajay Sriram, Managing Director, DCM Sriram Consolidation Limited, and Anindya Bakri, Chairman, Indonesia Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And these will be received by, on the Indonesian side, His Excellency Sugiono, Minister for Foreign Affairs, and Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister of India. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the exchange ceremony. I now request the spokesperson of Ministry of External Affairs to conduct the remainder of the proceedings.
Namaskar, good afternoon. Your Excellency, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, President of the Republic of Indonesia, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Ministers, members of both delegations, distinguished guests, and friends from the media. We will now have the press statements. May I request Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, to give his remarks to the media.